Welcome to DigiBuddy. Today, we're gonna learn 3 Microsoft apps that will save your life. The first one is Quicklook. With Quicklook, your PC or notebook will never be slow again opening photos, documents, videos, or audios. So to download Quicklook, just go here at your search bar and type for Microsoft Store. Now click here on Open. With your Microsoft Store opened, click on the search bar and type Quicklook. Now click on this blue button and wait for the download process. Once the process is complete, click here on Open. Once your application is downloaded, you can just select any file of your PC and press the space button of your keyboard. And here it is, your file is opened. The second app is Modern Flyouts. With Modern Flyouts, you can access multiple Windows content configurations. With Microsoft Store open, just like the first tip, now click on the same button and wait for the downloading process. Once the download process is finished, click here on Open. With the application opened, you can configure it. So here you can adventure yourself at customizing your layouts. Here in Layouts, you can scroll down and change the flyout alignment. So if you want in the right bottom, just click here and now it's the right bottom. Now, when you use any configuration shortcut like brightness or volume, you can just go here, you can just use the shortcut, and now you will open this page where you can drag to change the brightness of your screen. At example. The last app is Microsoft Power Toys. Go at your search bar with Microsoft Store open again and type for Power Toys. Now, click here on the blue Stall button and wait for the downloading process. After downloading the application, you will see all the functions of Power Toys right here at this last menu. Now, I will teach 2 of my favorite functions of Microsoft Power Toys. Now, I will teach 2 of my favorite functions here on Microsoft Power Toys. You can press Ctrl plus Windows key plus T. So now, your currently active window will be always on top. So I can drag other windows here and you see that my window is always on top. And now, pressing the Windows key plus Shift key plus T, you will be able to select an area of your screen and will automatically copy all the text that was inside this area. So I just go here and press Ctrl plus V and now the information I just copied is right here. So if any of these applications helped you to improve your Windows experience, leave a like on the video. And if you like the type of content you just saw, subscribe to the channel. If you want to make a suggestion, a compliment, or anything, just comment below. That's it. Bye!